Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set a password in your Windows 11 operating system. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to right-click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. After that, a window like this will appear in front of you. Here, you have to click on Accounts and then click on Sign In Options. From here, you have to click on Password and then click on Add. After that, a window like this will appear in front of you. Here, you have to put a new password and then confirm the password. Below, you can put a hint for your password. After all is set, click on Next and then click on Finish. After finishing this process, restart your computer or laptop. Let me restart it. As you can see, my computer is restarted and it is asking for a password. I will enter my password and then press Enter. As you can see, my computer is open now. So in this video, we learn how to set a password in the Windows 11 operating system. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.